Hi guys, welcome to my first YouTube video ever. I just fulfilled my dream and bought a new Leica MP, and let's have a look inside. So that's like the new box, which used to come only with the digital cameras from Leica, but nowadays they also the analog cameras are packaged in the same way. So here we got the battery, the new leather strap. It used to come with another strap, but Leica's packaging a leather strap for the analog models as well. I'm not sure about the MA, but at least for the MP. And the battery cover. Over here is all of the paperwork, yep, I think. Warranty card. The Prüfzertifikat. Leica Society membership and instruction manual. Alright, let's have a look at the camera. If I can open the box. That is awesome. It really feels brand new, as it is obviously. And it's going to replace my trusty Leica M6, which I had for 14 years and loved it to death. And it's gonna find a new home, I think in 3 days. The eBay auction is going to end, so I'm really hoping that someone will get it who loves it as much as I do. And I will continue with my MP. I hope you liked it. See you soon.